Hello everyone, my name is Sandy and in this video I'm going to be showing you 3 easy songs you can play on your ukulele. Before we start, I wanted to mention that in the whole video I keep saying chords and it's chords, and I'm sorry for that, but let's just ignore that. Everything you're going to need is an ukulele and to pay attention. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is to tune your ukulele. If you don't know how to do it, you can download an app that will help you doing that. And now that your ukulele is tuned, let's start with the first song. The first song we're learning is Turn My Heart by 21 Pilots. The chords that we're using are D, let's play like this, F sharp, G, A7 or A. I don't know how it's A, A major, and B minor. For the intro and the verses, we are using D, F sharp, and G. The rhythm is all like down, like you know, if you've heard the song, you know it should sound like this. I know that F sharp can be a little bit hard, but I know you can do it. You can add like a, if you want, like this. You just keep practicing until you get to the normal speed, that it should sound like this. For the pre-chorus, we are using I think it's A7, I don't know, and A major. It's pretty much easier. It's like down, down, up, up, down, up. You should play here. I'm playing here because you can't see it. So the pre-chorus would be like, and that's it. And basically for the chorus is the same rhythm but different chords. We are using G, A, B minor, A, D, and A. The chorus would be like this. I'm gonna do it slow. Just practice until you get the song speed. And now for the outro, it's basically the same as the chorus. And at the end, you just play a D. And yeah, that's all you should know about this song. So you just put everything together and practice until you get to the song speed. And yeah, let's continue to the next song. The next song is I Can't Help Falling in Love with You by Elvis Presley. And the chords we're using are C, E minor, A minor, F, B7, A7, D minor, and G7. The rhythm for the verse and the chorus is down, down, up, like that. The chords are C, M, A, F, C, G, and then when it says I can't help falling in love with you, it's F, G, A minor, F, C, G7, and C. For the bridge, it's E minor, B7, E minor, B7, E minor, B7, A7, D minor, and G. The rhythm of the verse and the chorus start in A7, I think. And then in A7. Just put everything together. And that's all for the song. Yeah, it's a pretty easy song. Okay, the next song is I'm Not Angry Anymore by Paramore. The chords. I think I have been saying chords the whole video and it's chords. I don't know, but you get it. Are E minor, C, G, B7, C minor, B, and D. For the verse, we're going to do down, down, up, up, down, up. So it goes like. And that's it. But the original goes like. And after those four chords, it goes C and C minor. It goes like. So it should sound like. And how it is really fast, what you can do is. And for the fast part, you can do like. And for the chorus, we're going to be using C, B, A minor, C, D, G. It's the same rhythm. You can keep doing the easy part for the whole song. It's basically the same. And like the outro is the same as the chorus, but at the end you just go like.
Sentir tu cuerpo juntito al mío porque es mía.
Those were the 3 songs I wanted to show you. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something today. And well, bye.
Moviendo la cadera, moviendo la cadera, moviendo la cadera, moviendo la cadera.